am Monica from grade 9 Siddhartha High School, Chintal. In this video, I want to give you a short presentation on diffusion. Firstly, I would like to explain about introduction of diffusion. Secondly, we shall discuss about types of diffusion. Now, we shall learn about definition of diffusion. The particle of matter spreading all around is called diffusion. To understand exact definition of diffusion, I will give an example. You are 1 meter far to the coffee shop, but the smell of the coffee is reaching to your nose. How it is reaching to your nose? Because it is reacting with the air and reaching to your nose. So, in chemistry, it is called as diffusion. So, once again we shall learn about definition of diffusion. The particle of matter spreading all around is called diffusion. Particle of matter. Here the matter is coffee and spreading all around. The smell of the coffee is reaching to your nose? If yes, then it is called diffusion. We shall learn about types of diffusions. There are 3 types of diffusion. Diffusion of gases, diffusion of liquids and diffusion of solids into liquids. Now we shall learn about diffusion of gases. We shall learn about diffusion of gases. To do this experiment, you need your friend. Choose a room and set your friend to stand in one corner of the room by giving an incense stick. You stand in another corner of the room and set your friend to light up the incense stick. The smoke will reach us to your nose. What will reach us to your nose? The smoke will reach us to your nose, which is released by incense stick. Choose another room and set your friend to stand in one corner of the room. Before you gave an incense stick. Now you give perfume and you stand another corner of the room. After you standing another corner of the room and set your friend to spray the perfume. Before the incense stick release the smoke. Now perfume will release the vapor. What perfume will release? Perfume will release the vapor. Before the incense stick releases smoke and now perfume releases vapor. The smoke reaches faster or the vapor reaches faster to your nose? Vapor reaches faster to your nose because it has low density and it reacts faster than smoke. So the vapor reacts faster. We shall learn about diffusion of liquids. So, to do the experiment, you have to take a round bottom flask and add 250 ml of water. With the help of the dropper, you add 2 drops of potassium permanganate into this water. When we add this, the potassium permanganate into the water does not change its level. See, here and here are the same. Why it does not change the level? Because there are some molecules and there is space between each molecule, and when we add the solution, it replaces this space. So, the water level does not change, and when we add potassium permanganate solution, the color of the water changes because this potassium permanganate solution diffuses into the water. So, now we shall try this experiment. Here, I took the 250 ml of water, and in place of potassium permanganate, we can add blue or red ink. Here I am adding blue ink. So you can see here I have added blue ink, so it diffuses into the water. So you can see here the blue ink was diffuses into the water. See, here I added blue ink, so it does not change its level of water. So it changes its color also. As you can see, it changes its color also. This is the the experiment of diffusion of liquids. Here, blue ink is a liquid and the water is also a liquid. A liquid diffuses in liquid. So this is the diffusion of liquids. But here I used blue ink. But here they used potassium permanganate. So this is about the diffusion of liquids. Now we shall learn about diffusion of solids. Now we shall learn about diffusion of solids. So to do this experiment, again we have to take a round bottom flask and add 250 ml of water in it. Now we have to add potassium permanganate crystals. So the potassium permanganate crystals are added. After some time, the potassium permanganate crystals will be dissolved in the water. So this is about the diffusion of solids. Let's try this. Here I took the 250 ml of water in a beaker and this is the salt. I am adding the crystals of salt in the water. So I am added the crystals of salt in the water. After some times it dissolves in the water. As you can see that the salt is dissolved in the water. So this is the experiment of solids into liquids. Today from this video we learned about definition of diffusion and diffusion of liquids and diffusion of gases and diffusion of solids into liquids.